Fontana Emergency Plumber. Water is beautiful when it behaves, but when it doesn't, damage happens fast. A pipe leak in the wall, a flooding drain, a failed hot water heater, an overflowing toilet. All demand fast action. We offer 24-hour emergency response. Fontana Emergency Plumber, licensed, bonded, and insured, and COVID-19 compliant. Call us now at 909-550-0222.